Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're just going to be doing an incredibly quick haul. So I've just got a Beauty Bay haul in, just some hair care and some skincare products that I needed. I'm not actually buying makeup at the moment, just because I don't need it. I guess one of the things could be classed as makeup, but we'll go through it. I don't know how to show it you because obviously it's got my name and address on, but I can show it you that way. So, Beauty Bay. And then on this side it says, "You've been expecting me." Yes, I sure have. So the neighbour actually took this in. I heard someone banging on the door about 9 AM and I'm thinking, not expecting anything today because Every only got it yesterday, so I would have thought that it would have come Monday, possibly Tuesday, but no, it came today. They got it out to me super fast. So that's what it looks like inside. What shall I go through first? Let's go through hair care. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about the repeat purchase. So I was on the Boots website, and originally I got these from Boots, and I wanted a 3 for 2 again because I got 3 for 2 on the Cantu range last time. No such luck, guys. These, like, to me it's an expensive product, to you guys it might not be. They're kind of like £8 each. So I've got the Cantu and Shea Butter Wave Whip Curling Mousse for natural curls, coils and waves. It defines waves and curls without the crunch, and it really does. It's a holy grail mousse. I need this in my collection going forward. I've got about that much left in the other one. Let me go and get it. Okay, so sorry about that. I just wanted to show you just how much I love it. And I don't even use it on the daily. I tend to use it mainly more when I go in the shower, and I've been using this and another thing which I've also brought. But can you see? It's just here. Literally, I've got that much left in it, so I needed a new one. I definitely needed to repurchase this, and I needed a primer, which I'm going to talk to you about in a second. So I needed a face primer, so I thought I might as well go to Beauty Bay and get it from there. But yeah, that's the mousse I absolutely love. It comes out, I don't want to make my hands all sticky, but it's got like a really nice, so it's just got a really nice nozzle as well. So that's those. The other thing is this. I didn't repurchase it, but I do really like it. It's a Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Oil Shine and Hold Mist. So that's it there. I guess in a sense it's a little bit like hairspray, but there's no stickiness to it. And this one is for natural curls, coils and waves, and it adds lasting moisture and shine. And yeah, it's part of the Style range, and they've got no parabens, sulfates and silicones, so I've only got a little bit left in that as well. That one's slightly more, about that much. So when that's gone, it's gone really, because I've got 2 more newer products that I want to try. This one is the Cantu and Shea Butter Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer for natural curls, coils and waves, and it refreshes curls and adds shine. It's part of the Style range as well, just like the mousse and the other product was. Again, no parabens, paraffins or silicones. You get 12 fluid ounces, 355 mils, and it says restores, defines and smooth curls. Why it works: formulated with pure shea butter and castor oil to add moisture and shine. How to use: we all know how to use products like this, so I won't go through that. It's got no mineral oil, no parabens, silicones, phthalates, paraffins, drying alcohol, formaldehyde or propylene glycol. I don't think I've said that last one right. And it tells you all the different curls here, what it's good for. So it's really good if you've got curly hair or wavy hair and you've been avoiding using this Cantu range like I was. I just never thought to pick up this Cantu range until my hairdresser said, why don't you try Cantu, you know, it's really hydrating. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. And then I've got this. Last time I was in Boots, I was looking for this then. and it wasn't on the website and it wasn't in store, but Beauty Bay had it. So it's a Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Mist. I am so pumped to try this. I really am. I'm going to have a shower after this video. So yeah, I'm going to be testing them out. And I will report back in a few weeks. So it says it instantly hydrates, shines and repairs and smooths flyaways. And this one's a conditioner. So it says a lightweight mist infused with pure shea butter, castor oil and argan oil to instantly add shine and repair without weighing hair down. The benefits are it adds shine, detangles to reduce breakage and minimises flyaways. Spray on damp hair, do not rinse, style as usual. And it says use with Cantu thermal shield heat protectant to help prevent damage caused by heated styling tools. Well, I'm not really using heated styling tools at the moment. I'm not using a hairdryer, and if I am, I use it on a cool temperature, so I don't need to worry about the heat protectant. If I ever go back to straightening my hair, I'll definitely invest in that as well. So these were like £8 each, so already £24 for those 3 things. Do you ever, guys, just run out of things at the same time? Because I'm like, I need this, I need this, I need this. The next thing I needed, and I should have got some moisturiser as well, but I've ordered that off of eBay. I was going to go to Boots for that as well, but with shipping it just wasn't worth it. It's just a simple range one, but it's a hydrating gel, so I'll show you that obviously when it comes in from eBay. I think it's going to be next week. Anyway, the cleanser that I needed, I've been using one and I really don't like it. It's not even a cleanser, it's a face gel. It's by Simple. I really don't like it, but I'm going to use it up. Let me show you what that is. Okay, right, so it's this one. It's the Simple Glow Facial Wash Smooth Radiant Skin with vitamin C and antioxidants. It's 100% soap free for dull skin. It's PETA approved, vegan, a global animal test policy, and it says Simple does not test on animals. You're getting 150 ml. It's literally, you can see it's literally down there, so I've literally got that much left in it. So I will use it up, but I needed, it wasn't going to last another month. Basically I got this last month, so it wasn't going to last another month, so I needed to buy another cleanser, which I'm hoping is going to be a little bit better than this one because I don't like it. I think the reason I don't like this is because it doesn't like... I think the reason I don't like this is because it doesn't lather and it's basically clay, and I don't really like clay masks, so I don't know what I thought I was doing when I bought this, but it was very, very inexpensive and I thought I'd give it a shot. But no, I won't be repurchasing that. That will just go in my empties, and at the end of the year we'll look at everything that I've used up. So the cleanser I got is this one. Cereve is a really, really good name. I've used a Cereve cleanser before, but it wasn't a foaming oil cleanser. That's what I meant to say about that one, is there was no foam there, it was just clay. So yeah, I mean, I thought I would try this. Like I said, you know, Cereve is really, really good. It's developed with dermatologists, it says here. It's hydrating foaming oil cleanser for normal to very dry skin. I wouldn't say I've got very dry skin, but there's definitely parts of my face that are drier than others. I would say it's kind of dry to combo. It's also suitable for baby and atopic prone skin. Fragrance free. Then at the back it just says directions. We all know how to put cleanser on. It looks a good one. You're getting 8 fluid ounces, 236 ml. So yeah, that's that. And then the last thing I really did need is this. So it's by The Ordinary, and I'm so pumped to be trying something by The Ordinary. I did think about getting the foundation as well, but I've got a ton of foundations. Maybe in time when I'm down to like 5 foundations I'll buy it. So we've got The Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Now it doesn't say it's a pore filling primer. It said a lot more on the website. Here it just says high adherence silicone primer with advanced adaptive silicones. It supports makeup adherence, visible surface texture and its hydration. Let's go on to the Beauty Bay website. because it said a lot more on the Beauty Bay website than that, and that's why I got it. Let me see if I can just go into my order, my hauls. Right, here it is. Okay, so there it is. It was only £6, guys, which is really, really cheap. How much product are you getting? 30ml, so it's just like a foundation for £6. I did want to try the e.l.f. one. Do you know, like the one that they claim is a dupe for the milk? But I didn't go into the city centre, so I just thought I'd pick that up because I do really need one. I'm using my Dior one at the moment, and that's a pore filling primer, and it's been nice to use, but I mean, if I keep using it, I'm going to run out of it, and I don't want that to happen. I want to kind of use this and then use that one in between Shop My Stashes. So this is what it claims. It's a lightweight serum light primer that prepares skin for the application of makeup. Using an advanced formula of adaptive silicones, this smoothing serum mattifies and hydrates skin, blurring pores for a high definition makeup look and helping foundation to adhere to the skin for longer. For those who prefer to go bare skin, this also performs as a light non-oily surface hydrator for a natural dewy look. So it does blur pores, so obviously I can use it for that. I won't be using a lot of it, just purely because like my pores are obviously in my T-zone area, and then like the rest of my face I like to use a dewy primer. So it's got dimethicone in it, which is a fluid silicone which creates a smoothing barrier over the skin surface, helping makeup to glide across with ease. It also tells you what best products you can use for that no makeup look. I didn't even look at that. And then it says, discover all the reasons why you need the Ordinary's high adherence silicone primer here. What does that say? Nothing, it's just showing you them there. I mean, that's pretty cool. You can get a pack of 2 for £12. Even if you bought them individually, you're not saving anything because it was only £6 by itself. I'm going to just swatch some on the back of my hand. So it's quite nice how it comes. I think, yeah, it's got a silver foil on, so at least we know it's not being tampered with. Just gonna get a little bit off. Oh, so it's like a cream. I thought it might be like silicone. I'm just trying to think. Do you know, like there's an e.l.f. one that I used a while ago, and that was more like silicone based. Do you know, like the Smashbox primer, that one? I thought it might be like that. So let's, yeah, it's definitely got like a silicone feel to it. Oh my gosh, it's so blurring. That's really blurring. I'm probably going to use this in my life today. Not really much of a scent to it, but yeah, that is really, really blurring. Absolutely made up with this haul, guys. I know it's pretty boring because there's no makeup involved, but like I said at the beginning, I'm not actually buying makeup at the moment. I was so tempted to buy the Retro Love palette. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I saw Call of the Ball do a look with it. I've only just started following her. She does some amazing looks, so if you're not subscribed to her, please go and check out her channel. I'll leave it in the info cards so you can just click on it really, really easily. I know she'd appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, it really does help out the channel, and I massively appreciate it. Also, please comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.